And if I just had a little bit of blush, so I'll take a little red fondant here and a little water. Okay, yeah, try it on his nose first. There we go. I prefer the dry, but hey, you do what you gotta do. Put a little bit in here and a little inside the mouth. So I had to get it on some of the white there to get it in. So I'll clean the brush now and I'll wipe some of it off of that white part. Okay, I've got a little bit of gold luster dust here and I put some lemon extract in with it, and I've got a paintbrush and I'm just going to take it over and just highlight Santa's belt buckle. So if it's not going on that well, I must need a little more of the gold. Okay, and then I have some glitter here, which is a non-toxic glitter. It's basically it's a disco dust, so it's best used on things that you're not going to eat. So if you know that you're not going to eat this, you know, the Rice Krispie part here on the cake, the roof part, you can put it on there. Make sure none of these brush hairs stay on there. So I just put a little bit of water so it will stick, and then just sprinkle a little on there. I need a little on here too, don't we? Get that brush hair out of there, and then a little bit more right here. So it usually just sticks to the things that are wet, so I can take a dry, you know, brush, or even just do this and brush it off of Santa and even the roof if you want, and the cake board. I kind of like it on there though, extra on the cake board. All right, so Mr. Santa here is all finished, and you don't have to always put him in a fireplace like that, or fireplace. That wouldn't be good if you put him in the fireplace now, would it? Well, you know. Either on the chimney, or you can even just put him on the shelf of the cake. You know, it doesn't have to be this setup, but you have the basic skills now to go ahead and build him anywhere you wish. Okay, so I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Be good, Santa's watching.